Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to enable automatic registry backup on Windows 11. The Windows Registry is an essential database that stores important system settings and configurations. And losing or corrupting it can cause major problems for your system. And while Microsoft has disabled automatic registry backup by default, I will show you how to turn it back on. In addition, I will guide you through setting up a basic task in the task scheduler so that backups are done automatically without any manual effort. Okay, let's get started. And the first step is to open the registry editor. Press Win+R to open the Run dialog box, then type regedit and click the OK button. The next step is to navigate to the registry backup setting. In the registry editor on the left side, navigate to the path that appears in front of you on the screen, and I will leave you the path in the description of the video. Then, right-click on the folder or key, Configuration Manager, select the new submenu, and click the Door 32-bit value option. Then, name the new value, Enable Periodic Backup, one word without spaces. Then double-click on the newly created Enable Periodic Backup, then set the value from 0 to 1, then click the OK button. Now, you can close the registry editor, and you must restart the computer to apply the changes, and after enabling the automatic registry backup feature. After restarting, open Task Scheduler, type Task Scheduler in the search box, and click to open it. Then, from the left side of Task Scheduler, expand Task Scheduler Library, then Microsoft, Windows, and then click Registry. On the other side, right-click the Regedit Backup task, and select the Run option to run the backup manually. But this will make the backup manually every time, and if you want to make the backup automatic, you must create a basic task, so that the backup operations are done automatically, without any manual effort. And to create a basic task, in the Task Scheduler, to back up the registry, right-click the Registry key, and choose the Create Basic Task option. In the Create Basic Task wizard, enter a name for your task. You can also add a description for this task, and click the Next button. In this step, choose when you want to run the task. For example, select Daily to back up the registry every day, or select the option that suits your work, and click the Next button. Then, select the date and time to start the task as you see fit for your business, and click Next to continue. Here select the appropriate action, so select the option, Start a Program, and click the Next button. In this step, select the backup program in the Program or Script field, enter tasks. Then, in front of Add Argument, enter or add the command that appears in front of you on the screen, and I will leave you the command in the video description. Then click Next to continue with the rest of the steps. Then review your task summary, and check the Open the Properties dialog for this task when I click Finish option, and then click Finish. Here click on the Change User or Group button, then click the Advanced button, then Find Now button, and select the System Group, click the OK button, and check the Run with Highest Privileges option, and click the OK button. After completing the steps, the task will run according to the specified schedule to run the task, which creates a full registry backup using 5 files: Default, SAM, Security, Software, and System. One more thing remains, which is the path where the backup of the registry will be saved, which is a default path, and appears in front of you on the screen. I will leave you the path in the video description. That's all in today's video, and remember that the registry is the backbone of your operating system, and performing regular backups ensures that you are prepared for any unexpected problems. If you want to stay up to date with more tips, tricks and tutorials, be sure to click the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Your support helps me create more content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.